Having a camera on your laser makes aligning designs and using up spare material easier, and even unlocks features in LightBurn, such as trace overlay. Once configured, capturing images and updating your workspace overlay is a breeze, but it's crucial that you follow the necessary steps to ensure reliability. Before you can use a camera in Lightburn, you first need to add it. If you've already configured your camera in an older version of Lightburn or on a different computer, you can export the .lbcm camera file and import it to get up and running. If not, you'll need to create a new camera. To add a new camera, start by clicking on the Manage Cameras button from the Laser Tools dropdown and selecting Add New, or by clicking Add Camera in the Cameras window. From here, you're given three options: USB, Network, and Load from Preset. The correct option to choose depends on the machine and type of camera you're connecting. Select USB if you're using a typical USB camera or webcam with a direct wired USB connection into your computer. Select Network for cameras you connect to over a wired or wireless network, also known as IP cameras. Load from Preset contains a list of specific machines that have cameras pre-installed. This list will grow with time, so be sure to check here if your laser ships with a built-in camera. Once you've selected the type of camera you're adding, you need to tell Lightburn how to find it. For a USB camera, click on the dropdown under USB device and select the camera you want to use. Depending on your camera, you may have different options for frame rate or resolution in the second dropdown. A higher resolution provides more detailed images, and higher frame rates give more responsive previews, but at the cost of requiring a more powerful computer. If you don't see the camera you want to use, try unplugging it and reinstalling, or using a different USB port. For a network connected camera, type the URL for the camera feed into the box under Network URL and set the frame rate you want to use. If you can't connect to your camera, check that you've entered the URL correctly and that your video feed is accessible. If you're loading a preset, the process is similar but looks a little different. After selecting the camera type, you'll move to the Edit Camera screen, which displays the camera name, type, source, calibration, and alignment all in one place. Once you've successfully connected to your device, a live preview of the camera feed is displayed on the right side of the window. Now that the camera has been added, the next step is to calibrate the lens. We'll take you step by step through this process in our next video. Subscribe for more great videos on mastering Lightburn.